mean, I've always thought water was a funny one to privatise in the first place. I mean, all right, it just comes from the sky and we've got to collect it. I know they like private investors, but should we really be profiting out of something that we drink?
I would like to see it come down. Like, I would like to see all the bills come down, because when you think about the bills, oh my God, you're living for the bills. You're usually just living for the bills.
Especially water, because it's region locked. Essentially, you have no choice. It's not a market. It's just a series of location-bound monopolies. Obviously, I think in Wales, because Welsh Water is a not-for-profit company, we have a little bit of a better situation than in England, where all of the big water companies are held by foreign investment firms for the most part.
And we do need to invest in the rivers and the pollution that is being. We see it on the television a lot, don't we? Why aren't they doing that? Are they just looking after the shareholders and not looking after the rivers?